Today we'll be cooking snow pear sweet soup, and I'll show you the ingredients. We have 2 pears, we have 60 grams of honeycomb sugar, or you can use rock sugar too, and 60 grams of dried longan, 40 grams of goji berries, and then we have 3 liters of water. And that's all the ingredients you need. And now we'll start peeling the pears. And I forgot to say, step 1 is peeling the pears. So now you take this weird knife with a groove in it and start peeling the pears. Okay, after you peel the skin, peeling the skin took a long time, so I didn't record it. And now we'll start to cut it. Just cut it in half. You're gonna take lots of strength. And then you take the half and cut it in another half. And you take this half and you cut it into another half. And then you need to put it on sideways and then cut like a triangle in the middle. Just like that. Take a tip of the knife, and then after that you just push it out. And you just make sure the sides, you have nothing on the sides. Be sure to cut it. After that you have another piece. 1 piece. You just repeat this process a bunch of times and you'll get them all. Okay, now after you cut your pears into these segments, you can cut them up into smaller pieces. Go cut smaller pieces. You don't need to be that small. Cut it up. Just cut it up. And then you are done with those small pieces, and you can put them in a bowl. Or you can do 2 at a time. I like to do 2 at a time because it's faster. And also 2 at a time is easier. So I'll start cutting now. Right, when recording the video, I'll put it in. So you need to take the slow cooker, put the lid off, just dump all these pears in. Just dump it all in. Oh, what? Wrong place. Wrong place. After that, you need to put your 60 grams of dried longan. Do the same thing. Put it on. There you go. submerged. we can wait for it to boil in the slow cooker for 2 to 3 hours. If you don't have a slow cooker, you can put it on the stove, slow fire 45 minutes. After it boils, we can put these two ingredients, the honeycomb sugar and the goji berries. So just wait for it to boil. Okay, after 2 to 3 hours, we are done with the thing. Now we need to put the ingredients. Before that, we need to off the fire. Then just plop your honeycomb sugar or rock sugar in. Put it in carefully because it's really hot. Make sure to be careful. Okay, last one. There you go. Okay, after that you need to stir it for a while. Take the giant spoon, stir it up. Okay, lastly and the final ingredient after you stir the sugar, you have the goji berries. Just plop it all in. Yeah, just pop it all in. Okay. So all in, you stir it for a while. Just stir it around. And it's ready. Okay. Now here's the finished product, and I'll do a taste test. Before that, I'll show you. Looks very delicious, right? And this will help with cough. If you have cough, you can eat this, and it's really delicious. If you don't have cough or anything, you can make this and eat it, and it will still be really delicious. And now I'll do the taste test. Absolutely fantastic. So delicious. It's quite sweet, but not sweet enough to be like super sweet that you don't want to eat it anymore. Let me have another bite. So basically that wraps up the video. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all your friends, and make sure to subscribe too. Bye.